Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get discount on Emirates Airlines. So here are the detailed steps to explore and apply discounts when booking a flight through the Emirates web app. The first thing to do is to launch your browser and navigate to the official Emirates website at emirates.com. If it will be your first time, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account or to log in using an existing account. Once you're signed in, it's going to take you to this fantastic home screen. On the home screen, locate the Book tab, which is in the top menu bar, and click on it. Now, once you click on that, from the drop-down menu, go ahead and select an option to book a flight or to book a hotel, anyone. So you can book a trip to Dubai, book a hotel, book a holiday, flight schedules, featured flights, special offers, best fare finder, and all of this. Or you can just head over to the top, to the middle corner of the screen and head over to search flights. And once you click on search flights, now go ahead and type in your departure airport and the arrival airport from here. So the departure and arrival cities and travel date, number of passengers and travel class, and click on continue. So here is going to be, so let's say I want to travel to the United States, New York, and my travel, okay, I think this date is just okay for me. No, it's not round trip. I know on a round trip. Sorry about that. I don't want to use the round trip, so flight. And so I'm gonna put in the returning date, passenger 1, and class. That's class. Then search flight. Okay, I said I didn't want to. Okay. Okay. Let's return then. All right, just one. And that goes. So it's going to take you to the window where you're going to see a couple of offers. All right, so there are going to be a couple of offers, including special offers, discounted fares. Everything will be displayed in the search results. Now, I'd like you to know that Emirates frequently highlights promotional prices with labels like special fares or exclusive deals. All right, so these are the flights that are available. So you can see this recommended, and these are the flights for first class, outbound, and of course inbound. So just go ahead and select the flight that you want from here. And once you select the flight, so just go ahead and continue the process. But let's say you don't find the special fares option or the exclusive deals. You just see all of these things and there's nothing like that. There's another thing that you can do. And how do you do that? Just go back to the home page. And once you go back to the home page, the next thing is to head over here at the top corner where we have book, manage, web experience, web where flight. So come back to book again and click on special offers. So you can use special offers or you can use best fare finder. So any of them that can just give you this exclusive deal. So let's head over to special offers. Now special offers can also afford you discounts. Okay, so let's go to way down and say here for Christmas, special fares and extras for students. So you can click on these to check more on those offers and personalize your Dubai holiday. You can also choose this to get special offers. Then earn bonus miles online, exclusive Skywards, that's Skywards exclusives. And then we have my Emirate Pass, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. So you can just get over here, and if you're students, just go ahead and use special fares. Or so this is featured, right? Everything literally featured here. So this featured and this featured as well. So, and this is also enjoyed big savings on your holiday in using Emirates boarding pass. So this, you can also get discounts from here, and of course you can see when it expires. So let's say special fares for extras and student, and want to click about it. So just click on learn more about this offer. So this is a fare discount and more. All right, so read all of these things that are here, the discounts are available to you. So just once you read everything and you're satisfied with the benefits, go ahead and click on book now. Now that's going to walk you to the next window where you can now add your, so this book flight, you can add your departure airport. And this, once you do that, go ahead and click on fill out all of these details and click on search. So this promotional offer students, and this pretty much looks like the promotional code. So this is the promotional code. So you can see that this is student. Now, once you've filled out all of these details, then click on search, and you now finally search your flight. Once you get to the checkout window or the promotion, let me just see. Okay, let me just enter my departures. Let's just follow through. Okay. Arrival. To London. So departure date. This is the cool. Return dates 7. So passengers, adults, and search. So don't forget that promotional code, student. So we have a technical problem. Oh, so let's say it doesn't have a technical problem and you've picked this promotional offers, and you go ahead and click on search. Once you follow through the prompt and it takes you to the last page where you have to check out, you're going to see an option for promo codes for you to apply your promo code. So in the box where it says apply promo code, put in this promo code, which is student. And once you do that, click the apply button. Then the discount will be applied to your booking if the promo is valid. So this promo is very valid. Now, if you're not already a member, just go ahead and sign up for the Emirates Skywards Loyalty Program by clicking on the Loyalty tab in the top menu. Now, Skyward members can earn points that can be redeemed for discounts on future bookings, upgrades, and exclusive offers. Under the Loyalty tab, just go ahead and click on Our Partners to explore discounts available through Emirates partnerships with hotels, car rental companies, and credit cards. So you can also click on the Help tab in the top menu and select special offers. Here you find a curated list of seasonal promotions and discounts. For additional savings, search for flights during off-peak travel periods. Now, Emirates often has lower fares for flights booked well in advance or during less busy times. Review the total price on the booking summary page to confirm the discount has been applied. Now proceed with the payment process to finalize your booking and enjoy the discounted fare. And that's it. You have successfully explored and applied discounts on Emirates Airlines through the Emirates web app. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.